Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I put in the crochet passion twists, because remember, I chopped all my hair off, so this is going to be my first time putting crochet in my hair, and I would say I'm kind of nervous, but I'm not. So I watched another YouTuber's video, and she told me to get the Tiana passion twists. They're hand crochet, like they're hand twisted, hand crocheted, that too. But yeah, I just got these from Amazon, and it came with what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packets. It also came with some rubber bands. That's good because I needed those, but I kind of have some. They're just a really flimsy kind. And some decorations. Some decorations.
What are these bananas for?
Decoration.
Alright. So along with the hair, it gave me a crochet needle, and it's really funny how I have another one of these now. So like, I feel like every time I order something, I get another crochet needle, and I don't use them because this is my first time putting crochet in my hair. It's not that I'm unexperienced though, because I have put crochet in my little sister's hair 1,000 times and my mother's. So it's not going to be anything new besides it being on my head. You guys are probably wondering, why do you got that bonnet on your head? Well, let's just say, do I even want to do this to myself? Okay, let's just say I look like Angelica's doll. Period. Like Rugrats, Angelica's doll. And if you don't know who that is, you're too young. But anyways, this is what we going for. This is what I look like right now. I actually use like, I can't even keep that off. Anyway, so my parts came from the hairstyle that I had prior to this one. I basically just washed my hair with the parts in them, took down the braids and everything, and put rubber bands around the parts, because who got all that extra time to be parting their head all over again? I don't. So yeah, I got the same parts from my last hairstyle. I have box braids that I turned into faux locks, and they're decent. Look, I'm getting my money's worth. And basically what I'm going to do is take the passion twist, put it on these parts. So without further ado, might as well get to it. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is just pulling my hair out of the way so you guys can clearly see what I'm doing. And I started by taking the braids down. So this method, I'm just going to take the braids down and try to wrap it into the crochet twist. And this is me showing you guys how to just attach the hair to your head. Make sure that you have the latch closed when you are pulling it back out, and make sure it is open when you pull it through. Hopefully I didn't confuse you guys, because I'm more of a visual learner and I mess up when it comes to basically telling people how to do things. So just watch.
open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya.
I'm not about to keep doing this with these rubber bands, man. It's killing me. It's literally killing me. Like, I know it can't be that hard. Just go boom, boom, boom. Okay. So I'm not about to keep doing this. Like, the rubber bands, they killing me. They really killing me. Okay. It was like a cross-eyed for a minute.
Okay. Got them two pieces now. Since this is being twisted this way, I'm gonna take these two. This is what I'm doing. Looks like the rubber band is gonna show regardless. I know it's just gonna piss me off. Look, the rubber band is there, bright as day.
Would I call this a fail? What should I actually say this is a fail? Because who wants to work this with a rubber band showing? I mean, like, I guess it's not that visible up close, but god dang. You're like, girl, what's that in your head? It's a rubber band. Because if this is your real hair, you need a rubber band to twist it, right? Right? For it to be tight like that. I can't stand myself. This is a fail.
So they're finished, and I guess they're not ugly, but I don't really care for them, and it's probably because I have a huge head. Definitely because I have a huge head, and I feel like my parts probably weren't small enough for me to put multiple in my head, so it's just not thick enough for me. I used what? This is loud. And then I have 2 packs left.
Just because I knew that my parts weren't made for this style, so I can't complain too much right now. I just want to put some stuff on it to make it basically stay flat inside the twist. Put a scarf on and then let that dry, and they should be fine. Because my hair is all choppy, so it's not really doing that well. It's staying in certain places, like right here. But let me see if I can get closer. This is what we have. Look what.
Hey y'all, I did not want to be back this soon. So I'm back to show you guys how much my passion tools were actually a fail, and it's because my hair is short. Rubber bands showing, hair coming out, like boo boo. This ain't it.
Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully I see you next time. And I would really appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe. And I would really appreciate it if I stop saying and. Goodbye.